According to the sources, the Election Commission is appointed Assistant Returning Officer and Assistant Election Registration Officer for all the seats of Delhi elections in Delhi, and it can be announced on 7 or 8 January. All parties in Delhi will get 32 days for campaigning. The assembly elections can be held on 8 to 9 February, and the final voters list is scheduled to be announced today. So that is what our sources are telling us. We have with us my colleague Mehendi Garg joining us on the telecast. Mehendi, what are the details that are coming in terms of the Delhi Assembly election polls, and when can the list and the dates for the election can be announced for that?
Well, Ria, the buzz is very high right now in the national capital because of the upcoming assembly polls. And on that, according to the sources, it is expected that the Election Commission will, announce the dates for the Delhi Assembly polls on 7th or 8th January. And also, Election Commission has already appointed the returning officers for, all the preparations that will be happening for the assembly polls. And talking about, the BJP's list, then BJP has already announced the first list of the candidates, in which they have announced their 29 candidates who will be contesting from different seats. But now it is expected that today the BJP will release the last list of the candidates, in which the leftover candidates will be announced by the Bharatiya Janata Party, because earlier in the days Ria, Aam Aadmi Party has already announced all the candidates that will be fighting for the assembly polls, and Congress as of now has released the names of 48 candidates. But it is expected now, according to the sources, Ria, that BJP will be announcing the final list of their candidates today, and also all the parties in the national capital will also be given time of 32 days for their election campaigning, to cast the voters and to do all the necessary preparations for the D-Day. And also there is an expectation that around 8th or 9th February the assembly polls will be happening. So yes, these are the information according to the sources, and Election Commission is expected to announce the dates for the assembly polls around 7th or 8th January. But today is the important day in terms of Bharatiya Janata Party, because there is an expectation, according to the sources once again, that they can release a final list of the candidates today. Yes,
all right, Mehendi, stay with us. We have more developments coming in. The